oh, I need to now go in and fucking blah, 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 blah. It's like now you might have an operation of 12 screens and you're like, cool, go do this, screen 2, go do this, screen 3, screen 4, screen 5, screen 6, and you instruct them all. And now all of a sudden your output is 12x'd.
Yeah. So it's going to enhance what you're doing now.
Because you can do 12 multiple things all at once.
But
you
I
can have
suppose,
separate tabs.
I suppose
separate...
it still does to a degree, because if you had before you had 10 people doing that, now you can have 3 people doing it.
Yeah.
So to a degree, it does have a level of replacement, but so does any automation in business as well. Look at
all technology.
Yeah, that's
all
farming and everything. Like
look, you think about agricultural advancements. It was like they had 100 people. What's seeding or whatever? I don't know the first thing about farming.
No, you do.
But they had 100 people seeding or watering or whatever, and now it's like done by this big machine, and one person drives.
Do you go to the supermarket?
Never.
No,
nah, sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. Do you ever go to a checkout chick?
Me?
Yeah.
If I've got a lot of stuff.
Yeah. If you have a lot, so you still won't do it yourself.
If I've got a lot,
what's a lot? Like a trolley?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Say if you got a trolley. Okay. Basket.
No.
Generally, you do it yourself. Most people these days will probably prefer to do it themselves than to go to a person. And like you think back in the day, people didn't know any of that.
Yeah.
You know, people were like, no, person. And now everyone's used to it. People used to crack it, saying, no, I don't want to do it myself. I'm paying Coles to do it myself now, you know, or Woolies or whatever it is.
Technology advancements.
That's the same thing now.
Yeah.
Exact same thing.
Very much the same thing. There used to be milkmen. That was a job once. You were a milkman and you had to deliver milk to everyone's house.
Yeah.
Who's a milkman now? Do you know anyone that's a milkman? Do you know one?
One looks just one.
Do you know one milkman? If you're listening to this and you know a milkman, send me a DM.
Yeah.
Send me a DM
and send me some milk.
And
we're actually out of milk. Bring us some to the office.
We're going to sign up to a milk subscription.
Bring us a cow.
But that is the evolution of things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I think people haven't quite gathered that, oh, okay, like the same way. What's something that was like super difficult? Because now it's like the super difficult things can become easy. You know,
from a tech point of view?
Think like this, like getting on the internet. So getting on the internet in the early 90s was like you had to be a fucking tech wizard to get on the internet.
Dial-up internet.
Yeah, no, but that was late 90s, early 2000s.
Yeah.
I think like early 90s, think when
When
Jeff
it first
Bezos
came out.
got into Amazon like that early. And it's like
That's no
you
code.
had to really, really understand aspects of technology that most people didn't.
Yeah.
Now this is making that less valid. Like now all of a sudden, like if you can write, you can instruct the AI agent to go and change something on your website.
Why do you think they haven't got it on PC? I thought that's a bit odd, don't you?
Yeah, but like there's two types of people. People who use PCs and normal people. Right?
People that order peppermint chocolate tops.
Yeah, and then people.
No, but that's still like, to me, aren't you, I don't know, is it 50-50 PC and Mac?
I'm sure they are maybe coming up with that version.
They'd have to.
Yeah.
They'd have to eventually.
they're
the two main operating systems in the world, PC and Mac. But because if it had it, I'd probably use it now. I'd have it. I would have downloaded it already.
I was
because I use Outlook for my emails, but then I would probably open Outlook on my browser as well if it can help me do certain things.
Yeah, well,
say any email you get from these people or from this person, just either.
But it's not going to work by itself.
Won't you have to ask it each time?
Yeah, it's like ChatGPT.
Okay, it's not an agent like what you were saying where you can program it to do that task all the time throughout the day?
No.
Okay, cool.
No, we can build those agents.
Yeah.
But that has to be based on a reaction. So that has to be triggered every time something happens.
Yes.
So it's be like, cool, every time we get an email, I want you to read it. And if it's from this person, I want you to reply. Or if it's from these 5 people, don't reply, everyone else reply.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Things like that, you know, or if it's, and you can teach it like that, but that's not the version that's built into the browser.
Yeah, okay.
The version that's built into the browser is like an assistant who's there. You're like, hey, do this.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Whereas the other agentic version, which operates in a similar manner, but just is on a different system, so you can build it based on an action.
Yeah, so the other day, because you said, hey, go onto George's Facebook, Instagram page or something and like all these photos.
Yeah, so go onto Instagram and just keep liking, go like 20 photos.
Yeah.
And it's like, this is going to be a lengthy task. And I'm like, do it. Why
He has a lot of
arguing?
My question is, why didn't you like them already?
That's a great question. Probably because the Pascon Instagram page was missing for 60 days.
I was crying the whole time.
Hey, by the way, shout out to those people who were able to get it back. That's a great contact. I think you should share them with me because that's quite a unique.
I don't know if they did the job in the end.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it was a coincidence.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, so you don't reckon it was them?
No, I don't.
Then it was me.
It could have been. It could have been you.
Must have been.
So
I put in so many cases.
If your account gets hacked, make sure you contact Robbie.
Call me.
Give Robbie a buzz.
Call me. That's what we
you
specialize
ridiculous.
in. Yeah. That's what we specialize in.
Yeah, so for those of you that don't know, my Instagram account, the Pascon one, over 1,000
I
photos.
genuinely thought, oh, they must have a way. Like they must have.
Look, all they did when I contacted them was literally do what you did.
Yeah,
except he
that's
said
what
the only
has
difference was he goes, when you're speaking to them, be overly nice.
I am
Not
always
just
over-
not nice, not just hey, thank you. No,
Oh,
overly nice. Like love heart every fucking message they say. Thank you so much. You're amazing.
Yeah,
Have a
that's
wonderful day. But he reckons they've tested thousands upon thousands of different interactions with the Meta crew.
But it
And he
just
goes, they've
depends on
done
who you
blunt
get.
ones. Yeah, but he goes, it was overwhelming the result they got when they were overly nice as opposed
yeah,
to
but that's probably applicable in all.
it could
businesses.
very well be. Yeah,
Is
it
it
could
not?
be- yeah,
You're not
it
going to
could
get
very
more of what you want if you're nicer to the people who you
yeah,
say
but think about when people contact Meta, generally speaking, hey, where the fuck's my page? Like,
Yeah,
what are you fuckers
but
doing?
I'll-
Can you sort this shit out?
So I had an issue with my page for 2 years.
Wow.
2 years.
That's
dude.
a long
I
time.
was convinced that like it was gone.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm just going to start a new page.
Yeah.
It was.
I was actually very close to
It was
doing that
still
too.
up, but I didn't have ownership access.
Oh, I
had
remember.
partial access.
Yes, I remember that.
And every now and again, I would go to give someone access and I couldn't, and I would get pissed off.
Yeah.
So I'd go back at him like every 3 months. And one day I just got a girl and I was having a bad day and I was going off at her and she's like, I'm going to fix this for you. And I was like, everyone fucking says they're going to fix it, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? And then she fixed it.
and then we
And I was like, hey,
can I take you out to dinner?
nah,
What's your name?
what's your...
Let's go.
couldn't even tell you
I'll
what her name was.
fly.
But I was so... Because they all say the same thing. It's like the
Yeah, it was.
really
I copped that
scripted.
same thing.
And I'm like, hey, like this, I've spoken to like 25 of you at this point.
Yeah. And you've asked the same
Yeah,
question
and
each
you
time.
all ask the same question, and I tell you, and then you give me back the same excuse, and
Yeah,
then I
so we'll get
reply,
back
and
to
then
you.
close the case,
Yeah.
and then you know,
Very frustrating because I started doing that and that's all he was directing me to do.
yeah, and I was just doing that over and over and over, and I got it back.
Yeah. So for us, it was down for about 2 months where just no access. They just shut it down all of a sudden, and it was random. I just literally went to log on one night and said, you've breached our community standards or something like that.
Yeah.
And then 2 nights ago, I got a notification again on email saying, hey, we've unlocked your page. You can log in again. We made a mistake after further review. We made a mistake. We apologize for the inconvenience, but trying to keep our community safe. Obviously posting too many sick houses that we're building.
Yeah, it's like
Hey,
You're
slow
hiding
down.
too
Slow down. But yeah, it got me thinking as well. Like I was very close to just going, fuck it, let's start again. So let's do a new page. So I think we had 24,000 followers, over 1,000 posts. And I was just like, all right, cool. Part of me was like, all right, how cool would it be to do it again and actually build it up, but quicker. And then the other part was me like, fuck, can't be bothered. Let's just go. But it also is a lesson for everyone, like not to be omnipresent. Not to be, what's the opposite?
single channel focus.
Yeah, single channel focused. Exactly. Like imagine had I only ever posted on Instagram. That's it. Because I couldn't be bothered because Facebook doesn't give me much. Or I don't get much on.
Facebook doesn't
Twitter.
give anyone much.
I know, but it's free.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Like,
Like it costs nothing.
You're getting a bad return on your investment.
Yeah, exactly.
If you like that clip and you want to watch another one, click just over here. And if you want to watch the full episode, click just over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.